Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Nissan Rogue. This is a 5-passenger SUV in red, driving on 17-inch wheels, and some of the great exterior features on this Rogue includes a camera in the front grille. You also get 2 cameras underneath the side mirrors and 1 in the back, giving you a 360 camera view. Other great features include the smart key system and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Nissan does have a smart key system. We can press this button to lock and unlock the vehicle. Now, taking a look inside here, right in the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. This Nissan Rogue comes equipped with black fabric seating. If we take a look at the top here, you get a panoramic moonroof as well. Now on the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. You also have these buttons on the left side to navigate through your multi-information display, where you can also see this Nissan has 54,420 kilometers on it. On the right side, you also have your cruise control settings as well. Now, taking a look at our screen here, right now we're on the Bluetooth option. You can get to the Bluetooth by cycling through the CD and auxiliary button, where of course you also have your auxiliary option. Of course, you also have your standard AM and FM. Going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. So on the left side, you have that direct backup camera view. On the right side, you have that 360 view like we mentioned earlier. Underneath is the climate control. It is a dual zone. The temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the very bottom, you have some storage along with your USB and auxiliary, along with your 12-volt outlet. All the way in the back here, of course, you have your 2 cup holders, right along with your heated seats as well. Now, taking a quick look inside the back, there's some storage on the bottom of the door. We are continuing with the black fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver's seats, you get some extra storage compartments. And the rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here. If we pull that forward, the seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Like I mentioned, this Nissan does have a power liftgate, so we can hold that third button on our key fob. Now if we sneak inside here, you can see you have plenty of storage space in the back here. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. To close it up, we can press the same button on the key fob, or you can press the little button on the liftgate, and that will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Nissan Rogue, once again, some of those great interior features includes your 360 camera, panoramic moonroof, heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and San Trail.